So if you're living on the road on your motorcycle journey or your car trip, whatever it is, always choose a place with the free continental breakfast. Alright, Super 8, Days Inn, Travel Lodge. You want to check to make sure they have the free breakfast included. Now that being said, you always want to check the photos in their description of their website, and you want to scroll through the ones past all the beds and the bathroom setups. You want to get to the picture of the kitchen or the breakfast setup. Now if you see they have a waffle maker and a coffee and a big clear case full of breads, bagels, that's a place you want to choose. Don't choose the place that just shows a tiny little coffee corner and some chewy bars to go. Alright, you want to choose a photo that shows like a breakfast area. That means they have lots of food options. Even better if you see the places that have the buffet set up with the eggs, the sausage, and the home fries, then you definitely want to choose that place. Now, once you have all your food, you want to be able to get it back to your room, right? So, here's a life hack. Get a nice bag. This is a CVS bag. It's durable. It's not the cheap one. And all you do is you bring it with you. You tuck your hands in like this, so that way you can carry your coffee in one hand, and then you just load up your bag with goodies on the other. And that way you can make it back to your room. You don't have to use your mouth to hold your whatever. Now, if you can ever grab stuff to go, you should definitely do that. Fruits, or bananas, or these instant oatmeals. That way you can use them the next morning. Say you're at a place that doesn't have free breakfast, then you're gonna have breakfast on hand already. And also, if you can grab as many candy bars, crunch bars, whatever they have to go, and you can just snack on those on the road. And then last life hack for your cross-country road trips or your long road trips is always grab extra utensils, because some places don't have utensils, and especially places that don't have breakfast. If you have your quicker oatmeal or whatever and you don't have utensils, it's hard to eat. I've had to resort to using these coffee stirrers as like chopsticks, or when I was really desperate, one night I even used 2 Q-tips as chopsticks. So don't do what I do what I say. These are some good travel life hacks, and get yourself a nice bag. See you later, bye bye.